Hello all, welcome back to the Tech Boxer YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to write SOQL queries and uh, how to fetch Salesforce data using Salesforce Inspector Reloaded extension tool. First of all, I will show you how to install Salesforce Inspector Reloaded version tool to fetch data. Using that tool, we will write SOQL queries and fetch the data from the Salesforce. So in a search bar, type Salesforce Inspector Reloaded extension. So click on that first result. Okay, here click on the add it to Chrome. I have added this section to my web browser. It got added. Okay, yeah, it got added. So to use that Salesforce inspection tool, you have to just reload the your org once. Okay, after installing the Salesforce inspection tool, it will be there is a one icon will be shown on the right hand side of your org. Okay, this is the icon that will show you to use this extension tool. Okay, here the list of multiple operations, the multiple things that you can do with the Salesforce inspector tool. For now, we will use this Salesforce inspector tool to fetch the data, to write the SOQL queries and to fetch the data from the Salesforce environment. Okay, here the option is there, data export. Okay, we use this data export option to fetch the data from the Salesforce. Okay, do right click and open link in a new tab. Okay, it will the Salesforce inspector tool will be open in a new tab. You can directly click on here also. Okay, but okay, after opening it, you will see a input box here, export query. Here you will write your SOQL queries, and you can save your queries here. You can save your queries and you can see your previous history of your SOQL queries here. Okay, for now there is no any saved queries and query of the history. We will see in the later. Okay, I have a set of SOQL scenarios. We will use these scenarios to write SOQL queries. Okay, here we have a scenario: fetch records from the account object, specifically retrieving the fields for name, rating, phone, industry, annual revenue, and number of employees. Okay, so we'll go to the Salesforce environment. We have to write a query on the account object. First, write the select statement in a capital letters. Okay, ID from, this is a basic syntax I am writing here. Account, from which object we need to fetch the data? Account object, right? After writing the field name, I have written the from keyword. After that, I have written the object name. Okay, so what fields we have to fetch from the given requirement? We have to fetch the name, rating, phone, industry, annual revenue. After writing the field name ID, type name, and you can see here also you can simply select the name, comma, rating, phone, type rating, and after typing RA, the field will be shown here, comma, phone, type phone, select the phone. Using this extension tool, all whatever fields, whatever letters you type related to that word, the fields will shown here. Okay, industry, annual revenue. Yeah, we have added all the fields shown in this requirement and the number of employees also. See here, for the number of employees, we have seen this ash, means this is a number field. Okay, to execute this SOQL query, you have to click on this run export. So it is going to fetch all the account records. See here, we got the data of account records. ID name, and it is shown like a Excel. The data is showing like in Excel for XML for Excel format, and the total records that we got from the Salesforce. And you can, here there is a filter option is also there. You can filter any field with the text. You can type media, and it is going to test, it is going to check me where the media is present in each and every field. Okay, I can type number also 14668, and we will take some common word also, like I have typed A, so A is present in everywhere, so we are able to see all the um, records. Okay, like this you can use this filter to filter the records. This is the first query we got executed, and the second SOQL query, retrieve the name, email, and phone number of all contacts. So I will save this query here, and I will name it as a accounts. Here click on this save query button, so it got saved. See here. Okay, here you can see the history also. This is the history of our previous SOQL query. So I will remove this SOQL query, and we will go to the second one. Retrieve the name, email, phone number of all contacts. First write the select statement, type ID from contact. Here it will show the list of object. After typing some uh, key letters of that object, it will show the all the names. Okay, contact. We have written the simple syntax of the SOQL query. After that, we will include these fields. Okay, name, email, phone number. After ID, enter comma. We have to include name, comma, email, comma, phone number. Yeah, we'll export this query. Okay, see here we got the records from the contact object. 40 records we got. We'll save this SOQL query as contacts. Save this. See here we got the history of two SOQL queries, and in the saved queries also it got there. It is there. Fetch records. Coming to the third SOQL scenario, fetch records from the account object, specifically retrieving the fields for name, rating, phone, industry. Yeah, it is same as the above, but here we need to include the where condition. Okay, where account rating is hot. So I will go to the saved queries, and I will select the first one. Okay, run export. Yeah, this is the query we want. Okay, and also I want to put some where condition. Before that, before adding where condition, first I will include rating field also to check. Yeah, I think we already added that rating field. That is why we got duplicate field selected issue. Okay. Hey, if you see here, there is no rating. Yeah, for this rating field, we don't see any rating value. Okay. Yeah. For now, I will write where condition for this industry field. I think because some field permissions we are not able to see this rating field value. For now, we'll change the where condition to the industry. Okay. Here we will type where. Here we will write the where keyword. Okay. After writing the where, we need to include that field. With what field you want to filter these records. Okay, I want to filter this account records based on the industry field. So type industry, where industry equals to, I need to fetch the account records where industry is manufacturing or else technology. Okay, for now I am choosing the technology. Okay, I will execute this query. See here, we got the one result where the account, only one account is having the industry as a technology. We got one result. Okay, sorry for making the requirement changing, because accounts 3, I'm saving it as accounts 3. This is a third scenario, right? That's why. And coming to the fourth scenario, query opportunity records to extract name, close date, amount, account ID, stage name, and type fields. Okay, we need to fetch the data from the opportunity object, and we need to include these fields. Okay, select, write the common, write the syntax for the opportunity object first. After writing OPP, we got the opportunity object. After that, after ID, enter comma and enter your fields that you want to fetch from the opportunity object. Name, close date, amount, account ID, stage name, type. Okay, we have written the SOQL query and click on run export button to fetch the data from the Salesforce. Okay, see here we got in our environment, in our Salesforce environment, we have total 8 records to related to the opportunity, and we got all the 8 records. Okay, so I am saving this query as ops. Everything will, every history of our SOQL queries will be shown here, and the saved queries will also be saved queries will shown here. Okay, I will remove. Coming to the fifth scenario, here retrieve the first 10 accounts created today. So here there is no fields included. We will include some of the account fields, okay, that got created today. We change the object name to the account. Click on run export. We got 151 records. Here we need to include where condition, where to check with the date, means we have a created date field. First we will write created date. We'll remove where condition. I will execute this query first. Okay. See here we are able to see the record of record ID and created date of account record. Okay. Here we will write the where condition. Where created date to check with uh, which is created today or not, we have to write like this: created, where created date equals to today. Okay, the next part. So there is no records which is showing because there is we haven't created any record today. I will create a record in Salesforce to check this query is working or not. I'm typing my YouTube channel name, TechBoxer. There is I think there is only one required field, account name. So I'm leaving other fields as it is. I'm saving this record. Now I will write the previous query where created date equals to today. So it is going to fetch the records which is created today. So we got the result of one record. So to check which this record which is created today or not, we have named it as a text boxer, right? So click on the ID ID. So here the list of options will be shown, and here there is an option called view in Salesforce. Do right click and open in a new tab. Okay, it is going to open in our Salesforce environment. See, we got the same record that we have previously created using Salesforce environment. Okay. So coming to the next scenario, find all contacts associated with the account record. Okay. Here we need to write the query on contact object. Okay. It is mentioned find all contacts associated with the account record. We need to check the contact records where account ID is not present. Each record is having the account ID, means there is no record which doesn't having any each record is having account ID linked to it. So and also we will write where condition also. Okay, where ID not equals to null. It means that for each contact account should be there. Yeah. We got the same result, means for each contact there is a account record got linked. Okay, you can check here also. I am opening a one contact record. See here in the account owner field we are able to see the text box. Okay. Sorry, yeah. Yeah, in the account names, in the account name field, see here there is a Mitchell Holmes account got linked to the contact. Means this is a person contact. Person account will have the account. Means it acts as a contact and account. Okay. Coming to the next scenario, get a list of accounts ordered by annual revenue in descending order. Okay, we need to fetch the accounts record ordered by annual revenue in a descending order. Okay, we have to write a query on account object. We need to include annual revenue field, and it is asking us to do order by, means we have to do sorting by annual revenue field. There is a order by clause is there. Okay, we will use order by to make a order of the records with a one field. Okay, we are ordering the annual revenue using this annual revenue field. Okay, for now I will delete this uh, query and the last part to show you how this order by will work in to fetch the to, okay, I think there is no there are only one record is having annual revenue value. Okay, I will include another field also, number of employees. Yeah, we have two records are having data. and also we will include name. Yeah, if you see, we will make the order by the name field. Okay, if you see there is a, if you see in the name which is in a non which are not in a order, means um, means the records are not in a alphabetical order. If you want to make a order of it, how we can do, using using order by class we can do that. Order by name. Okay, see here it got order by the name in a alphabetical order. Okay, order by name. And we can also have other two keywords also, ascending, descending. Okay, we will see first ascending how it is going to work. Using ascending, it will come in a order, means alphabetical order. If I make this D descending, DESC type keyword for descending, DESC. Okay, it will be changed. The from the order will come from Z to A. Okay, in the last record, see here we got we able to see the account name record with the account record with name starts with A. Okay, like this you can filter sort the records with a field. Okay, you can do the filtering with number field and other fields also, other data type fields also. Some of the fields will not work. Okay, and coming to the next scenario, query opportunity records to extract name, close date, amount, account ID, stage name, type fields where stage name is closed one. We have already written the query on opportunity, right? So we will use the same SOQL query. Okay. Here we need to include a where condition where we need to fetch the opportunity records where the stage name is closed one. Okay. I'm copying this closed one. Yeah. Here we will write the where condition where stage name equals to closed one. See, we got the opportunity records where the stage name is closed one. Okay, oops, right. To the next one, fetch context data related to the specific account by passing the account ID as a parameter. Okay, we will pass the account ID as a parameter in the SOQL query to fetch the related context to it. Okay, I think we have already written a query on the contact object. Okay, here in the end we will write a where condition to filter the contact records. Okay, to filter the contact records based on the account ID, where account ID equals to that we have, that we need to pass the account ID. Okay, we need to pass the account ID. So here I have created the business account. Okay, here we not able to see any context. Okay, all accounts. I am changing my list view. So I am searching for edge communication record. Yeah, randomly I have opened one record. I am checking is there any contacts are present or not for this. Yeah, this is a person account. Okay. Yeah, here you have to do like this. Okay, in the single string codes you have to pass the account ID. So I am clicking on run export. See here we got the contact record related to this particular account. Okay, this is a person account, and this is a person account. Okay, Last scenario, fetch records from lead object by retrieving fields for name, status, lead source, company, and email. We have to write here in the last SOQL query, we have to write SOQL query on lead object. Okay, we need to include fields like name, status, lead source, company, and email. Okay, we included all the fields. I do click on the run export. See, we all got the lead records. Okay, in our system we have only 4 records. We got all 4 records here. Okay, and this SOQL queries will work based on the permission that you have. If you're not having any permission for a record or fields that you will not get. Okay, field permissions will also be required to fetch field information and to fetch the object data also. Okay, we'll see detailed lectures in the coming lectures. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for the latest videos. Yeah, and please do subscribe, like my video, and if any queries you have, please post your comments in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you everyone.